with my sister. This is our first YouTube video, actually.
I'm actually 11.
Alright. But this is my first video with my sister. Well, my first video, too. I'm gonna go pick her up in my fast car. So it's, I think. It's pretty fast. I'm gonna go pick her up near the gas station that she's at. And then we're gonna go into a storm. Are you excited to go in the storm? I'm trying to look for her. Bro, where are you?
You passed me.
Alright, I'm picking her up. Oh. Okay, you want to go in the storm, right?
Yeah. Are we already in the store?
Yeah, we are actually.
So we have to get out of the store?
No, we go in.
We're already in the store.
But we have to go deeper in the storm. You know what I mean? The blue area is the light area. You can look in your radar. You want to go in this tornado? Tornado is forming. The red area is the second, biggest area to be in. That's the area you want to be in. And the purple is the one you really want to be in. You see, we already got rain. We already got rain. We're actually going to the tornado, where the tornado is. We're actually going to where the tornado is. My sister's trying to get it, so let me go get it. Or let's so we are near, where the tornado is. Ellie, get ready. Ellie, get ready. We're near where the tornado is. What do you mean? We can't see it. Oh, I'm getting 28 on my Mizero. Ellie, do you have a Pro? You have to buy one. Alright, Ellie, you have a probe now. Now when we get out to go in front of a tornado and we have to go, you have to place your probe down so you can get money. Yep, money.
Near the tornado?
No, in the tornado. No, like we gotta place it before where the tornado hits. Oh, you see it? You see it right there, right there. It's trying to, oh my. It's trying to touch down. No, oh wait, look, get out. Look, you see that whole big thing that's going down? That's how wide it is. That's so wide. And it's your first tornado, by the way. Yeah, that is a real tornado. It's about to touch down. Oh, well, this one's about. Oh, it's forming under us. Ellie, place your probe. Place your probe quickly. All right, I'll tell you when. Get ready to place your probe. It is. All right, when you get out, also. All right, you wanna hurry when you get out. Go, quickly, place it. Wait, I'm gonna go farther, yeah? Oh, dang, bro. You're like trying to place it already. Come on, get in. We're going on the dirt area. Yeah, I know. Oh. Look, you see the houses that got damaged? That's and it hasn't even touched down yet. No, we are not. We are actually almost getting in. That's because is it turning like smaller or what? Is it like still wide? Is it like still sweat? Let's go get our probes. Yeah. I think we placed them at the wrong time. Shoot, we're going through it again. I can tell when we... Oh, we're in it. Oh, we're getting lifted up. We're getting lifted up. Oh, wait. It's like 200. Oh, we're in the center. Yeah. We're actually getting flung around. Oh, we just got flung. Yeah, we're not surviving. We're not surviving this. Wow, that is your first tornado. And it's actually coming towards us right now. I don't think we have to move. Wait. Yeah, we have to move. It's not going towards us. Well, now you have no more home because we're gonna go to the tornado. The sirens are gonna start like going off, Ellie. So we have to move. Ellie, the closet won't save us though. You know that? The basement won't save us too, I think. Look how wide is it. Ellie, come outside. Come outside. Come on, over here. It's the hail that's damaging you. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's going over a town right now. It should be. We have to go over Milica. You know that's the town where most people go to? And that's where we spawn. You know where it's all happy and there's no people crying? Well, there's gonna be people crying now. Strong tornado. Probably EF5 or EF4. Oh, we're going in it again, probably. Look. Take cover when we go in it, like crouch down. Alright, here we go. Crouch down or take cover. No, you don't. I'll tell you when to get out. We're going in Milica because that's the town that's about to be hit. Do you have your pro? Or did you get it gone? I think we did get it. No, we didn't. No. If I wind back the footage, we didn't, Ellie. So we're gonna have to buy another. Oh, we're really near it. That's why the wires are bending. You see the wires bending and everything? No, we're like pretty much in it. Oh, this is it. Yeah. You see the tree? Oh, you see all that part? Oh, you hear the siren? Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Do you think we should go up a little more? No, it didn't. There's still a, like it's a hopper. Let's see. Oh, you did. Oh, it did. It's just like a little tornado now. Should we go to the other? It's right over. No, it's not the. What do you mean? The other is green. Well, I think that's already going off the map.
Oh no, it's not the orange.
Ellie, it's green.
Tornado.
Ellie, the triangles that are upside down are tornadoes.
Tornado. And
This one's green. That means it's like dead now. Yeah. Well, it depends. Like, if it's like fully red and then it starts going down, that means it's starting to die. Red and it's not dying or like going down a color. And if it goes up, that's just great. What? Dark green. There's no dark green. Yeah. And what if it's like still down? Well, that can happen. It can. It can still destroy houses. Yeah, there's no tornado anymore.
what about that green one?
The triangles that are up, I think that just means like rotation or something. I don't know. Or like the chances of a tornado being there.
Tornadoes,
Actually in the core, it's pretty good. I think it gets softer in the core, but sometimes the core is like crazy. We're not going to that tornado. Oh wait, it's just barely trying to touch down. Should we? Do you see it? Like that little shadow? Like it's so little. I can see it. And it just, like, you can't see it. Yeah, like that's trying to come down. That's it. Yeah, probably. It's just probably a rope. Yep. And ropes aren't that strong, at least I think. It depends which kind of rope it is. If it's an EF0, then we're not cooked. If it's an EF5, then we're cooked. It looks like an ordinary tornado. Oh yeah, that's touching down. Well, I don't know yet if it's an EF0 or not, because we're not near it. And that's, well, you never know. I'm not near it. It's showing me EF1 so far from over here, because I'm not near it. You see this thing on the top of my car? That's called a Mizero. And when you have a Mizero, then and when you like have a Mizero, you can detect how fast it's going and all that. But we're not near it. No. Minecraft is not a tornado game unless you add mods. I'm not talking about Minecraft. We're talking about the tornado right now that's trying to go down. Yeah. That's why I called you to play with me. Should we take this turn? Alright. Yeah, I see a car over there. I'm trying to go take this turn. Wait. Wait, never mind. It's not gonna die out. Probably. I'm getting 29 on my middle road, but it could be wrong. E for evacuate. My misero's going down to 20. It's going down to 20. Oh, you don't have a misero though. That's not a misero. This is misero. Look. Ellie, that's the coordinates or south or something. You don't have to say minus S or something. We're talking about numbers, not freaking letters. Want to chase it on the grass? Yes, we can. Yeah. Even sometimes you have to go in it. No. Look, you see it? Be quiet. No. There's tornado sirens in the game. No. No, because I'm filming a video. I can take clips for the video and all that. Yeah, exactly. No. Bro. No. Just talk about the tornado. Should we go in it more? Just respawn. I guess you can get your own car. You know how to get a car? Ellie, don't place that. You don't need it. Unless the tornado's going towards you. No, it's not. That's because it's the... Ellie, the tornado's not over there. I looked more straight. A new tornado? Oh! Yo, 2 tornadoes? Ellie, get like respawn and then get a car and then drive towards it. Respawn.
I don't know how to get a car.
Right after you respawn, you click this. Boom, 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 boom. That's the car you can get right now. And then just drive towards it. Like the little coney. Not the new, not the bigger one. Just the cone that's forming right now. You gotta go get it.
Oh, I find it. It's more bigger than before.
Yeah, it is. Oh wait, it's already trying to touch down. It's a crazy tornado. If you want to. Oh, Ellie, I see you. Follow me, follow me. Ellie, yeah. No. Follow me. I'm in the red one. Follow me. Look, you see me? No. You just follow me. Just follow me. Please? Come on. It'll be like a convoy. It's easy. Unless you don't know how to drive it. Turn. Fine. Oh, it looks like a tornado form get into you. Like. Wait. I'm trying to see what this tornado is doing. Actually, you were right about where you were going. Let me see if I have a probe. Yeah, I do. Yeah, you were right about where the tornado will be going. Actually, we are going over here then. Because by the time we go over there, then it's going to be over here. So we're going to have to be waiting for a little. It's still not touched down yet. Confirmed touchdown, I think. I don't know. No, we have to put it down when the tornado's about to hit us. Do you want to try to intercept this one, or should we drive away once we put intercept? You sure we'll die? Probably. Yeah, that's what intercepting is. And then you have to stay still. Unless you want to drive away. Oh, confirm touchdown of the tornado. No. It is moving. Yeah, we have to get in the direct area. Still not touchdown? Yeah. You sure you want to intercept this? Look, it's so big now. At least it's not like as wide as the other one. Mizero is 5. And touchdown. Yeah, I think so. It is still moving. We're gonna hit it, alright? She's just gonna go get the babysitter. Hurry, because we're about to... Hurry. Placing probes. Go, place it. Place it. Run. Oh, it's not moving. It's not moving. It's not letting me move. Oh, oh, 120 plus. 120, 120. Oh, 120. Ellie, the tornado pack. 120, bro. It's 106. What does your pro got? Can you look? Let me look. Alright, her pro got, oh! Yeah, 120 plus, 120 plus. Alright, pick it up if you want. Ellie, pick it up. Dog, that's a good tornado. I might have to order a new car for that. I'm ordering a new car for that. Dodge Ram. Where the frick is it? I ordered a Dodge Ram. Don't worry. Here's the Dodge Ram. Alright, Dodge Ram. Oh. Can you not drive my car? Dang, bro. That's one good tornado right there. We're going 100 miles in this one. 95 miles, I think, actually. Wait. It's going off the map. You sure you want to intercept it again? Alright. Emmy, no. Ellie, could you go get some water and I'll tell you when we're intercepting? Let's see. Intercepting this one, I guess. Oh yeah, go put that in the bathroom where she can't reach it. I got her by it before. It was a Raider boy that she was playing with. Oh. Okay, never mind. The tornado is now leaving. What do you mean, yay? That's bad. Now we can't get money. Yeah, at least we did get how much it was good. That's a crazy tornado right there. Closely intercepted. That was crazy. Maybe we'll go to Milica. Because it's the nearest town that we could go to. That was a crazy intercept. There's another person driving. I'm gonna check if I can buy a Megaro. I can't, but I'm gonna try to when I can. I'm gonna tell her to go get some snacks in this shitty gas station. It's almost dark, which is bad because we can't see the tornadoes. Unless it's lightning helping us. Mm. 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 He has a nice car. Not gonna lie. I guess we'll go get some snacks at the restaurant nearby. All right. Oh. All right. We have another one. Ellie, hurry! We have another storm. No, I think, yeah. This might be a big one. Ooh, full on hit. I don't know if it crossed my road yet. It did. I'm gonna take this turn right here. And then I'm gonna take a turn like right there. Oh, look at that. There's another storm facing. No waiting up. Oh, we gotta hurry. It's already passing. You know what? Time to activate this truck for what it was made for. Bro, it's so dark. It's like 12, the darkest time. Alright. I don't even know if it's going towards me. It is. Ellie, deploy! 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 I'm actually gonna chase after that one. Oh. That's just crazy how big it is. About to hit a town. I can't even see it. Did it lift up? Might be a rope. Yo, the sun just came in time. This might be a big one. EF1. Let me go take a good look at that. Yeah, it's done. Maybe an EF3. I got 65 at max. This is a good video for my first one. Crazy how my sister's still not here. I'm thinking about ending the video here, maybe. I might end the video here. Alright. I'm gonna bring her avatar out. This is my first Ellie's first time storm chasing with me. And Ellie, come. All right. This is the first time my sister has storm chased with me. And please like and subscribe. And peace.